Hey guys, it's me, Anthony, and I am with...
Damn!
Okay, well, this is gonna be our first time recording an Egg Wars. Woohoo! Now, I've been wanting to play this game for a long time, but every YouTuber I watched didn't have the IP address on it. But then I got it from this YouTuber, one of my favorite, Gamer Chat. Thank you. And now I'm able to play Egg Wars with my friends.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
So, do you want to play
Oriental.
What team?
Purple.
No, it's full. Go to green. No.
I'm in green already.
Okay, I'm in green too. I think, yeah.
I want to be in purple.
But it was full.
Look at me. I want purple.
Oh my god.
Well, we're stuck here.
Guys,
Get the iron.
this is always nerve-wracking. Got it.
You got the iron?
Gonna get... Oh, this is diamond.
Nobody's protecting the egg. Are you serious?
So protect the egg, woman.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This game is stressful.
Wait.
But it's so fun.
Nobody's helping me. Again.
Sam, because I'm trying to get this
I'm talking about like the people on our team.
I'm trying to get this to upgrade. There we go.
Well, I'm trying to protect our egg.
So apparently Sammy's in love with the egg.
It's my egg. I'm Mama Bird.
Okay. You keep
I
thinking
didn't
that,
give
okay?
What?
You keep thinking that.
I don't know who's the dad, but
Oh my
Mama
lord.
Bird. I'm a Mama Bird.
I don't know who the daddy is, but
You know what? The dad is the dad.
no.
Whee! I need this.
Okay.
Sorry, we're not talking a lot. We're really concentrated. Sorry.
Okay, I need to get gold.
Gotta get that
No,
money.
it's my gold.
Money,
Get away.
money. It's all about the money. money.
They keep getting the gold and I needed to upgrade it. That's what they don't understand. No one understands me.
No, Mom, you don't understand me. This isn't a phase.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is who I truly am.
Well, guys, Sammy has gone completely psycho already.
Not really. Almost.
Oh,
But at least it's
I
better
just
than
love how
being
you
normal.
agree to it.
Yep. At least it's better than not than being normal.
Okay, I need 20. Give me 20.
What, $20? Sorry, I don't have that.
No, 20 gold. Jesus. I want an iron. How much is it?
All about the money.
So
Finish
many-
it.
Oh, I just need one more.
Why
Come
you
on.
not?
Yes. Which way am I going? Okay. I'm gonna upgrade the thing.
Rock the base. I'm sorry, I needed to protect the... Was that you?
What?
Was that you? Was trying to... Oh yeah, it was you, I'm sorry.
I upgraded the thing anyway. So guys, as you can tell, like, we're really neat. As you can tell, like, we're doing it in a box form.
That what?
We're doing it in a box form. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
There's somebody here.
Oh, they killed them for you.
I need gold. I need the gold.
The goldie gold. Whee!
What team are we?
Green.
Okay.
What happened to purple team? It's not even on the thing anymore.
Yeah.
We'll always be purple team in our hearts.
Okay, I need 5 more.
I am covering this egg. Look at it. I've created a monstrosity. Whee!
Got an iron sword.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you want to try to get to middle?
How about you try getting to middle and I watch the
I'm
edge.
covering the egg.
I need a diamond pickaxe.
I need
now.
what? I need food already. Da 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 da.
Okay, pickaxes, whatever. I'll just get an iron one.
I'm glad that they didn't do the thing.
Gold, give me gold. I need 2 more. Yes! I'm gonna get a diamond pickaxe.
I have a stored.
What?
I think so.
You froze?
I think so. Yep.
Got a diamond pick.
I got a stone pick. Do you have 20 gold?
20 gold? No.
We needed to upgrade the iron.
10. Well, okay.
We have diamond!
We have?
Yeah! I think someone from our team got it for us. Look, I already got one.
Yeah, we have diamond.
Whee! Thank you to whoever that was.
Okay. I think we should go and build to the other teams. That way we can try knocking out the thing.
I'll stay protecting the egg. I don't want anything to happen to it.
I know, but remember we need to eliminate.
Do you have 10 gold?
No. But remember we need
What?
to eliminate other teams too. For the sake of the video.
I have a lot of iron.
I got 10 gold for you. I have 10 gold for you.
Give me. Because with that we can get obsidian.
I'm
And
gonna
then we
build,
have...
well, I'm gonna build to the other teams.
Okay, go do it.
But I
Be
need
the savior.
But I need you here. I need you to come get it.
I only have 1 obsidian block. Are you serious?
Somebody's
here.
building over.
I'm gonna break it. She has nothing.
That's why let her keep building over. Let her keep.
Just watch her come out with like diamond, with a
Sword,
diamond
right?
sword and everything.
No, don't shift. That was hilarious.
I broke it for her.
How come it said I killed her?
The what?
How come it said I killed her?
I don't know, but I killed her. Oh, because you punched her at the last minute.
Oh.
I need... Because then they can't hit, they can't break it. Whee! I have 1 more obsidian block. I need more! What?
What happened?
I don't know, but something happened.
What do you mean something happened?
I don't know, but there was fireworks.
How much? We need 25 diamonds. Well, damn.
turning it in obsidian.
Let's go. Can we go to blue and take out their egg?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're pretty weak.
I'm gonna build over. Come on, Sam. Guys, tell in the comments down below, say if you like Sam because I love playing with her.
Whee!
Oh, they're pretty. There's one with diamond sword. Retreat, retreat, retreat.
Nuh-uh, I'm going after them.
There's one with the diamond sword, you know.
Oh my god, never mind. Look, there's food over there. Do you see it also?
You almost pushed me off.
I'm sorry.
This 1.9 is dangerous.
Right? I hate the new update. It's annoying. It's so annoying.
Guys, so now I can do videos for longer than 15 minutes. So now we can have fun. We can just relax and play like 2 games in one video. That's
exactly.
It, right?
I have 25 steak.
Okay, what can I get with diamond? Can I get a diamond sword? I can get a diamond sword, Sam.
Get it, get it, get it.
Do you want iron?
Yes.
Here, I have an iron sword.
Oh, no, I have iron. I have iron.
No, iron sword.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Guys, I have a diamond sword.
Thank you. I need more armor.
We need to take out one team's egg because...
Do you have 4 more diamonds?
4 more diamonds? I have 5.
I need it.
Why?
Because I can get a bow and arrow.
Okay, here.
I need gold for the arrows, though.
I'm giving you the diamonds.
Okay, thank you. Ah, I'm lagging. I have a bow now. I need an arrow.
Can you make me food if that's not a problem?
I have 23 steaks. How many do you need?
Just give me like a couple, like maybe 5.
Here, have some. Look, come here. I'm stacked with it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, I had carrots all along.
Just take the steak. It's more efficient.
I have 28 gold. What can I get with gold?
No, give me the gold. I have arrows. I can get arrows and I can shoot at them.
You got arrows?
Yeah, I have 5 arrows right now. I have a bow and I need more arrows.
Okay, here you go. I have 28 gold. There you go. I think somebody's at our island.
Really?
Oh no. It's still green.
Okay. I have 64 bows. I have 64 arrows and 11 arrows also. I'm stacked.
We need to attack someone. We need to attack someone.
Who's shooting?
We need to kill someone's egg.
This didn't work.
What? We need to kill someone's egg.
There's a team trying to build over us.
Where?
Over to us.
What side?
Over here. Look at me. To the right. It's yellow.
Got you. You shot him off?
I pushed them off.
Okay, I just saw that. Good job.
Thank you. But my thing is lagging so much. I hate this arrow and this bow. It's annoying. When you use a bow and arrow, you can see the little bow and arrow together in the inventory.
Oh yeah.
And it's so cute.
What can diamonds get me?
A lot of things.
But like tools. How many do I need? Efficiency number 3. Oh, got it.
I need a power bow.
I got a diamond pickaxe for you.
Thank you.
Where
I
are
need
you?
a power bow so it can be more efficient for me.
Here. Yo.
Thank you.
I got efficiency 3 now.
Oh my god. More diamonds. Oh my god, yes. I have a power bow now.
You have a power bow?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I punch 1.
Guys, we are doing so good.
It is our first time doing really well.
They're gonna attack the egg.
Do you want to go after it? Let's go.
I'm gonna fall. But what if they kill us though?
They won't. Because we'll kill them.
Oh my god, I almost
They already
died.
took the egg.
What?
They already took the egg.
Let's go back to our home base.
I must steal some of their gold.
Do they have diamonds? No, they don't. Okay. I'm going back to home base.
Same. Go front, cause then we'll fall. I think green is the best team for us, honestly.
Yeah. Forget
But
purple.
purple's good.
Forget purple. No, because we always die fast in purple.
But I love purple. We'll always stay true to purple, but green is our homie.
Guys, how are you liking this so far? Because Sammy and me are having a blast.
Orange is coming over. Orange is trying to come over. On the same side that we were just on.
I need to eat. Okay, gotcha. Let's go. Fight them.
Come on. This green needs help. I punched them over with my bow.
Okay. Oh my god, he almost pushed me off.
Okay, let's go. You're gonna come back. I killed it. That means that was orange. That means I killed an orange.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I think I want to take out blue, but they're really equipped.
Exactly.
Who else is green? Oh, that's ours. That's us.
Wow.
I think we should go attack green.
I think we should go attack green. Oh wait, that's us. Oh.
Okay. Should I get archery too? No. You're good with archery. How about armor? Chain.
I have 2 obsidian. Now I can at least protect it a tiny bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna get iron. I can get iron chest plate and an iron legging. Forget that. I have iron.
How did I go back? I'm lagging so badly.
You're lagging?
Yes. They need to update the server. I'm sorry.
Okay, I have iron chest plate and leggings.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Where are you? Oh, how'd you get it?
Cause I had enough diamonds. Orange is trying to come over. He's gonna get me. He's coming over. Hurry up.
Where are they?
Good job.
Thank you.
Wow, you're really impressing me.
I'm really impressing you. What up?
I just need 8, 9, 10. I need 3 more to get.
Yo, I just killed the last orange. I killed the last orange.
Okay, I need 1 more to get full iron armor.
Really?
Yes. I have full iron armor.
Okay.
Let's go. Armor.
I want iron armor also.
Okay, diamond helmet. Got it. And diamond boots. I have full iron armor.
I think the Pop-Tarts are helping me.
Yeah, she's eating Pop-Tarts right now. Look at me.
Wait, I need to equip myself also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look
At
at me.
least it's something.
Look at me.
Lucky. At least I have a diamond sword.
Yeah. But blue's really equipped.
We try to get more equipped. We have to up our game.
Okay, look. Gray. There's
It's a
1
long
person.
blasted.
There's not 1 person in gray. Okay, look. There's 4 people in. Sammy, I'm gonna get you 5 or you can get a chest plate of iron.
Thank you. No, I have a chain chest plate. Give me pants.
No, but iron is better than. Right?
What?
Iron is better than chain.
But I already have chain, cause let's try to save our resources.
Okay. Whatever you recommend.
They're trying to shoot at us.
They are? Oh, God.
I'm putting obsidian everywhere. With the gold, with 10 gold you get obsidian. 1 obsidian block. Try to get as much gold as you can.
There's 10 diamonds. I'm gonna get 10 diamonds to make the gold go faster.
Go.
Got it. I got it. Let's go. Guys, we are doing so good this game. Upgraded it.
You did? Yes.
We're doing so good this game, right?
Right?
Okay, that's green. I got scared. It looked like blue for a second. Blue's over there in the little hut. Like, if you see blue, they're in a little hut. Well, there's 3 in green, but 4 in blue, so...
Let's try to equip yourself.
How many gold do I have? Okay.
I can get myself some pants.
I have 31, or I have 32. We can get obsidian.
Really?
Yes.
It's 10, by the way.
Oh, dang
Here
it.
you go, we have some gold.
Okay, obsidian.
At this point, iron is useless.
Right?
Let's try to update the diamond.
It's 25.
But let's try to update it. Upgrade, oh my god.
How can you upgrade the gold now? 25 diamonds. Okay, well, that's too much.
I'm gonna break this off because they can get up over here.
Okay.
I can't reach.
I'm getting more obsidian.
Okay.
I have 5 right now.
Alright, wait. It's just that they can get over here.
Oh my god. This is nerve-wracking. They're shooting.
I know, that's what I said. Where are they? I'm gonna try shooting at them.
We need to surround the egg with obsidian.
They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me.
They're trying to kill you?
Don't get up the front. They have power. They have like actual really good arrows.
Where's our egg? Okay.
Oh my god.
What happened?
I can get more arrows. I got this arrow splashing.
Okay, I put obsidian around our egg.
Get more obsidian. Where are they? I can't reach them because they're all the way over there and they keep on moving.
Where's the gold? Sorry guys, that's my dog.
Wait. I can't reach over there.
This is really stressful.
I know. I have. Be careful with the arrows because they make a lot of damage. Give me more gold.
I have 20.
Give me.
Here. Oh, wrong button. There you go.
Thank you. When you're still polite.
Thank you. Oh my god, they left the diamonds nowhere. Guys, we are doing literally so good. Yo!
Oh my god, be careful. They hit us with the slowness poster, the slowness thing. They know.
Do I have no?
It hurts a lot.
I don't have slowness though.
Because they haven't hurt you. Be careful.
I wanna get 25 diamonds to upgrade the diamond.
Oh my god, be careful. I got the spectral arrow.
What is that?
It's one of the arrows. Oh my god, don't go over here, don't go over here. I have slowness. No, I have glowing. They can know where I am. I
Yeah,
have two spectral arrows.
I'm really scared though.
For what?
What if we gone so far and they win?
At least we tried.
Yeah, we've gone really far this game. Like,
I can have a shield.
no, please, no, please, no.
What happened?
Oh, because he was about to get the diamond, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm almost done. Oh, I need one more, and I can upgrade the diamond.
I have a shield.
Upgrade the diamond. I upgraded the diamond thing.
Really? I need the diamond.
It's fully upgraded.
It's fully upgraded?
Yes.
Do you have 15? That's when I can get the power bow.
15 what?
Diamonds.
No, I only have 9. I'm sorry. I need to get more food.
It doesn't matter. Just give me it.
Wait. Can I get food?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna try to see if they're trying to come over here.
They're trying to come over here?
No.
Somebody threw out a diamond. Are they trying to come over here?
No. I thought they were. I was trying to see if they were.
Sam, you have the glowing thing.
I know.
Thank God I've been the only one that hasn't gotten hit.
Really?
Yeah. No, please. Please.
How many diamonds do you have?
I put please.
No, how many diamonds do you have?
I have 25.
Gimme.
26.
Come on.
Okay. Going. Where are you? Come over here.
Right here.
There you go.
Thank you. Now I have a better bow.
You have a better bow
Now
now?
I have the actual power bow.
Good job. Guys, I know I keep repeating it, but we're doing so good.
Honestly.
Try getting iron armor, Sam.
Oh, right, true. No, my gold.
Do you want me to give you diamonds?
Wait, how do you get the iron?
You need 5 diamonds. Okay, so you already have leggings, right?
Yeah.
So it's 5 helmet, 5 chest plate. That's 10.
No, I already have everything. I'm stacked now.
Are you
wait, no,
full?
I need the...
Are you full iron? Are you full iron? Fully? Oh my god, we're doing so good. Our whole team has diamond swords and full iron armor, guys.
And with shields.
I don't have a
Do you
shield.
have a shield? I'm gonna make you a shield now.
How much is for the shield? Okay, this guy gave me a shield. Thank you.
Oh no, I was gonna give you one.
Thank you. Here you go. Have some diamonds, man.
Where are they?
They're still in their home base. And they're not gonna die because we don't have... Like, they're really good at it.
Dude, this is so intense. I'm sorry. Try covering it more with obsidian.
Guys, sorry for the noise. That's outside. Wait, our team is saying something. You can hold 2 items. Oh. I didn't know that.
Try covering it more with obsidian.
What can I get with diamonds?
A lot of things.
Can I get a better diamond sword?
Try getting food. You can get the golden apples. You can get the
Okay, God apple. Where the food?
30, with 32
Oh, with 32 diamonds? Okay, I'm gonna go get more.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get more.
Oh wait, cause I almost have 32.
Here you go. Here you go. I have 9.
I have 32 now. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So 32 plus 32 is 64. Right?
Yeah. Doing math while Minecraft.
To survive, you need to have math in your brain. Even though I'm not good at math, but give me what I have. I have 47 so far. Give me what you have. 54. Oh my God, I only need a couple more. And then we both can have golden apples. 7, 8, 9.
I'm talking about the ultimate one.
Yes. It's 32 per each. And 32 plus 32 is 64. Oh my God, only 3 more.
Try getting the other
That's it,
guys.
Sam. I have 64. I'm gonna get us golden apples, both of us.
I'm gonna try to get the other guys some golden apples also.
Yeah. Okay, food. Golden apple. Our egg was destroyed!
They're eating the golden apples. Give me, hurry up.
Ah! No!
He ate the golden apple.
I'm gonna die.
Me too.
I died! Oh my God!
I died also. Oh my God, are you serious?
Oh Lord, well,
It's left to that guy. It's left to that guy.
I guess that's all we have for today, guys.
How long were we here for? Look, no, look. Michael, Mickle, whatever the guy is. G-Boy. Hey, G-Boy. Is he gonna win? No! Another round?
But good game. We lasted a long time. Okay. Let's say bye, Sam.
That's it, bud.
Guys, watch out for a part 2. We might have a part 2.
Let's do a part 2.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave it in the comments below for I can keep doing Minecraft videos. Me and Sammy have a lot of fun doing them. I will also have videos with other people like Valerie.
Ooh.
Woo. Or maybe just all 3 of us. Just all 3 of us.
Exactly.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And like always, peace out.